Hello, hey everyone. This lesson, I would like to show you how defect life cycle looks like, or by the time when you get a defect, or how you manage defect. These are the cycle that shows how defect is going through. I'll show you practically how the defect is going. Let me show you in Jira and practical way. For example, think that we have a test case that we're ready to execute, and I'm executing this case. Make sure that support link is working properly. I'm going to execute, and I'm just clicking and click execute, and I will get the execution window in Jira. And this is now execution time. Think open new tools homepage. It says through Internet Explorer. So I'm opening Internet Explorer over here. Think let me close and reopen again. I'm opening that, and then it says open new tools page, the first step. So I'm just opening new tools by typing over here, and let me see, new tools homepage should be displayed. Of course, this one is passed, so I will say this one is passed, and I'll say here as expected, means new tools page is opened. So I finished this one, and next step says click support link. The support link page should be displayed. So I'm just coming here, click support link. Here is support link, and says sorry, it's under construction. So what I have to say here is fail, because I was expecting support link to be displayed. So I'm going to say here fail. If it is work in progress, means still you are working, you say work in progress, but in my case it's failed. So I'm just saying fail, and I'll write here support page is not displayed. Rather under construction page a message is seen. I say like this as a comment, and then I just create defect. To create a defect, I just click defect. Now this is the step what it shows: testing, defect, no. If it is no, close it, finish everything. If it is yes, just go to this and send the defect to test lead. That's the one, or what you say. So I'm just coming here, and then I'm just creating defect. Support is not displayed. I said like this. I can attach image by just taking, based on our plan, it says you have to attach a link, our plan is saying. So I'm just opening this and creating short, just a copy, a screenshot like this. And I'm just saving that screenshot, and I'm just saving. I have already done it, that's why I'm just replacing. So I just have done that, and back to here and attach that file. Click and browse from our storage, and then click open. Now it is attached, and based on our cycle, it should go to the test lead. So let me send to test lead. So you just choose here assignee over here. Its mid priority is medium, something linked issue is this one, blocked, and issue something. These issues are blocked. If you want, it blocks these issues. If you want to list if there are some issues blocked under it, so you just choose this issue, this issue, this issue get blocked because of this one failed. So I'm just assigning to my lead. Let's say the lead is Solomon Abdu is our lead, so now I'll create that one, and I will just say in general this one is failed. Okay, so I will say this is failed, the whole test case, and I will back. So that's how you just run a test case, and the lead will get this message as per our cycle. The test lead will see that and automatically will get message, so we'll see that one. By the time when he get message, he just look at this one, and then he will see something. It should be Let me take one more time, just a moment. It should be in progress. I said it done. That's why. Then the lead will come and see here. Mm, where is the defect? Didn't I create the defect? Just a moment. Let's click this one, and the lead will see that there is a defect fail, and so that he will see such stuffs, and then he will prove whether it is a genuine defect or it is not. It's just because of the tester. He will just identify that. If that is because of in case if the mistake comes from the tester side, it will reject, or if it is a real defect and if it should be fixed right now, he will save it for next release. So he will decide, and if it is a real defect and should be fixed right now, he will send it to developer lead as per the cycle. So he will just come over here, and then he will just see the defect, and he will just pass the defect to he will just simply see this one, and he will open it is open, so he will see and he will evaluate this one, and if it is real defect, he will just ask based on our plan, he will send to developer. So he just come over here and click that one, and he just see this one and assign to the developer lead. So it is the place, so he will assign to developer lead like this, and think that the developer lead is for example is Zephyr for Cloud is a developer lead. So the developer lead will automatically get this message. By the time when he get this message, he will open this one, and he will put it in start progress, and then he will see that and assign to the developer as per the flow. He will assign to the developer. So the developer will just be assigned here. He will just choose a developer here. Choose the developer, think that this is a developer, and then I'm just sending to that. Then the developer, when the developer log into Jira, he will get this one based on our plan. The developer will fix, and you will do unit testing. So he will take some time to fix, and after he will put it in progress. It is in progress, and when it is finished, he will say is resolve issue. Then he will say yeah, the bug is fixed. He will change the status to resolve issue. So he just resolution is done automatically. He will say like this, and then there are different types of defect. If it is will not do, duplicate, cannot reproduce something, so he will say done, and he will assign to the tester automatically. The tester will get that message. Just I did this one just because of the flow. Report to the tester after you finish, so the tester will going to retest again. So the tester will get message, and you just add that like this. So the tester will just open. By the time when the tester get that message, he will just start and execute this one, and he will just do this again and execute, and he will just do one by one, and he will just do one by one again, and he just see pass. If it is pass, and he will test this one. If it is pass, he will say end. If it is pass, he will just finish pass, or if it's fail, he will reopen again as per this one. By the time when he tests, if it is defect, then send to defect, create again, and then If it is pass, say close. So let us think that is pass. So you say pass, execute everything, and then return to the cycle, and then say done. This is the way how the defect life cycle should be processed. You see that it is done. So the test cycle in general, defect life cycle management system is, by the time when you get defect, send to the test lead. Is saying most of the time the test lead should approve that is real defect. If that's real defect, he will decide two things: either postpone to next version or release, or and save it here for next release to be fixed, or it should be done direct right now. We will send to the developer lead. The developer lead see that defect and send to the developer, and then the developer will fix and do unit testing, and will take some time to fix, and after fixing we'll send to the tester. Tell the tester will retest again, and if it is okay, we'll close the cycle. This is what you see in there, that we call it a defect life cycle. So during execution time, you should have defect life cycle and reporting defects. So that's what defect life cycle mean. Next video, we'll see different types of reporting. Thank you very much. See you.